appointed by the governor. I, in a cabinet meeting, was appointed but I recused myself because I did not want to be painted with a corruption brush. There were a lot of politics around pending bills and a lot of undercurrents around pending bills. So I decided to recuse myself and asked the team, the rest of the team that was part of the pending bills, to nominate holding chair in my absence. And they did nominate the former CCM for health, a gentleman called Dismas Wakla. They did an extremely good job, reviewed all the pending bills within Chia County. We had a total of about 1 billion worth of pending bills before review and authentication. And after review, authentication, they came up with an approved list of 818 million. So that was the ballpark number that we always worked with. Then in March times from chair, the last cabinet meeting that I attended, there was a 176 million additional pending bill that was sneaked into the cabinet. And I protested, and I said that we are not going to pay this until it is subjected to internal audit.